What if I told you the choices you make right now could be the difference between being wealthy at 30 or broke at 40? Most people waste their 20s blowing money on status symbols, partying, and staying stuck in low-paying jobs. But you're different. You're here to make money moves that actually matter. In this video, I'll break down 8 powerful financial moves to fast-track your wealth. And trust me, the last one, most people ignore it and it costs them everything. Stay locked in. Let's get started. Step number 1. Master the game of money early. Here's the brutal truth. Most people struggle financially not because they don't earn enough, but because they never learn how to manage money. Think about it. You spend years in school learning algebra and history, but no one teaches you how to build wealth. That's why so many people work paycheck to paycheck, even with a decent salary. But here's the secret. Wealth isn't about what you make, it's about what you keep and how you grow it. The rich play a different game, and if you want to win, you need to learn the rules early. Start with these: The Psychology of Money. This book reveals why making smart financial decisions isn't just about numbers, it's about mastering your mindset. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a must-read that shows why the rich keep getting richer and how you can escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. The earlier you master how money works, the faster you can make it work for you. Because the truth is, time is your biggest financial advantage. So the question is, are you going to let another year go by without taking control of your financial future? Or are you going to start playing the game the right way? The choice is yours. Step number 2. Avoid the number 1 wealth killer, debt. Let's talk about the number 1 reason people stay broke, debt. And no, not all debt is bad. A low-interest mortgage? Smart. Using leverage to grow a business? Strategic. But maxing out 5 credit cards on stuff you don't even remember buying? That's a financial disaster. Here's how to escape the debt trap before it ruins your future. Avoid lifestyle debt. If you can't buy it twice, don't put it on a credit card. That designer bag, that brand new car, that treat-yourself purchase, if it's putting you in debt, it's not a treat, it's a trap. Destroy high-interest debt fast. Credit cards charge 20% plus interest. That means every month you wait, your debt grows exponentially. Pay them off like your life depends on it, because financially it does. Refinance student loans if possible. Lower interest rates mean faster payoff and less money wasted. Look into income-driven repayment plans or refinancing options to cut down your monthly burden. And here's the truth. Debt is a time thief. It steals from your future, forces you to work harder just to break even, and keeps you trapped in a cycle of payments. Money should work for you, not the banks. Make the right moves now, and future, you will thank you. Step number 3. Earn more, not just save more. Saving is smart, but let's be honest, you can't save your way to wealth. You can budget all you want, cut out lattes, and live frugally, but at some point, you hit a limit. The real key? Increase your income. Here's how to unlock higher earnings starting today. Negotiate your salary. Most people leave thousands of dollars on the table because they're afraid to ask. But companies expect negotiations. One conversation could mean $10,000 more per year. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, or even consulting. The goal? Multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is a financial trap. Develop high-income skills. The right skills can skyrocket your earning potential. Learn sales, coding, copywriting, or investing, all proven to add $20,000 to your income. And here's the real game changer. You want money flowing in from multiple places: salary, side businesses, investments, passive income. Because when you earn more, everything else gets easier. Saving, easier. Investing, bigger amounts, bigger returns. Lifestyle, more freedom, less stress. So stop obsessing over saving pennies. Go make more dollars. Step number 4, start investing, even if you're broke. If you're not investing, you're working for money forever. And here's the harsh truth. Saving alone won't make you rich, but investing, that's how you build real wealth. Think you need thousands to start? Wrong. Even $5 or $10 can grow into serious money over time. Here's the 3-step cheat code to investing. Step 1, open a Roth IRA. Your money grows tax-free, meaning you keep more of your profits. Step 2, invest in index funds like the S&P 500. No stock picking stress, just proven long-term returns. Step 3, automate it. Set up a recurring deposit so you invest without even thinking about it. And let's talk numbers. If you start investing just $500 a month at age 22, by retirement, you could have over $3 million. And that's without side hustles, raises, or extra effort. That's just time and compound interest doing the heavy lifting. But here's the catch. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Wait until 30, you'll need to invest double to reach the same amount. Wait until 40, triple. Bottom line, start now. Even if it's just $10, your future self will thank you. Step number 5, avoid lifestyle inflation or stay poor forever. You've seen it before. Someone gets a raise and suddenly their life upgrades. New car, bigger apartment, fancy vacations. A year later, they're still living paycheck to paycheck. That's lifestyle inflation. And it's the reason why some people make $50 a year and build wealth, while others make 6 figures and stay broke. Here's the golden rule. Just because you can afford it doesn't mean you should. Think about it. Every dollar you spend on a fancier lifestyle is a dollar you're not investing, not saving, and not using to create financial freedom. Instead of spending more when you get a raise, do this. Keep your expenses the same for at least a year. Invest the difference. Whether it's stocks, a Roth IRA, or real estate, let your money work for you. Buy time, not things. More money should give you more freedom, not more financial stress. Because at the end of the day, the goal isn't to look rich, it's to be rich. The best flex? Not worrying about money at all. So what's it going to be? A bigger paycheck with the same money problems, or a raise that actually builds wealth? Step number 6, track your money like a CEO. Let me ask you a question. If you lost $500 today, would you notice? For most people, the answer is no, because they have no idea where their money is going. They get paid, they spend, and at the end of the month, they're wondering, where did all my money go? That stops today. Wealthy people don't guess. They track every dollar, just like a CEO tracks a company's profits. Here's what you need to do. Use Mint or YNAB. These apps show exactly how much you're spending on food, subscriptions, and all those small purchases that add up fast. Use Personal Capital. This one tracks your net worth and investments so you can see the big picture of your finances. Set a weekly money date. Spend 5 minutes every Sunday reviewing your money. Are you on track? Are you overspending? Small adjustments today prevent big financial disasters tomorrow. Think of it this way. A business that doesn't track profits goes bankrupt. Your finances are no different. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't control it. Start tracking today, because your bank account should never be a mystery. Step number 7, plan for big expenses early. Ever had a big expense sneak up on you, and suddenly you're scrambling for cash? A car repair, a dream vacation, a down payment on your first home. Most people wait until the last minute to think about these things. Then, when the bill comes, they panic, maxing out credit cards, draining savings, or worse, giving up on the goal altogether. That's not going to be you. Because today, you're going to learn the secret weapon wealthy people use to handle big expenses without stress. It's called a sinking fund. A sinking fund is a separate stash of money you build up over time for a specific goal. It's like a personal financial cushion, so when the time comes, you can pay in full, stress-free. Here's how it works. Pick a big expense: a house, a new car, a wedding, travel, starting a business. Break it down. How much do you need? When will you need it? Automate savings. Set up weekly or monthly contributions into a high-yield savings account. Let's say you want a $10,000 vacation in 2 years. That's just $470 a month. Doable, right? But only if you start now. The difference between financial stress and financial freedom? Planning. Set up your sinking fund today, because your future self deserves it. Step number 8, get proper insurance, or risk losing everything. Imagine this. You've spent years saving, investing, and building your future. Then, boom, one accident, one unexpected disaster, and everything you've worked for is wiped out overnight. This isn't fear-mongering, it's reality. And the people who ignore it, they pay the price. But here's how you protect yourself. Health insurance. Even a minor accident can rack up 5-figure medical bills. A hospital stay? That's easily $10,000 without coverage. Don't risk it. Renter's insurance. Think your landlord covers your stuff? Nope. If there's a fire, theft, or flood, you're out of luck. For as little as $15 a month, you can protect everything you own. Life insurance. If someone depends on your income, spouse, kids, family, this isn't optional. The earlier you get it, the cheaper it is. Lock in low rates while you're young. Disability insurance. What if you couldn't work for months or years? This protects your income when life throws curveballs. Look, insurance isn't exciting, but losing everything? That's a nightmare. The truth? The rich stay rich because they know how to protect their wealth. It's time to do the same. Secure your future before life forces you to. Most people waste their 20s, but not you. You're here because you're serious about building wealth, about securing your future. But knowledge alone isn't enough. It's action that changes everything. So start today. Even small steps now lead to massive results later. Your future self? They're counting on you. Which tip was your favorite? Drop a comment below. And if you want more life-changing money tips, hit that like button and subscribe right now. See you in the next video. Let's build wealth together.